Today we will start the summary of Hind Swaraj. Hind Swaraj, our Indian Home Rule, is a book written by Mahatma Gandhi in 1909. In it, he expresses his views on Swaraj modern civilization mechanism. The book was banned in 1910 by the British government in India as a seditious text. Gandhi wrote this book in his native language Gujarati while traveling from London to South Africa on board SS Kilderman Castle. It has also been translated to French. Some key points of Hind Swaraj. Gandhi's Hind Swaraj takes the form of a dialogue between two characters, the reader and the editor. The reader, specifically identified by the historian S.R. Malhotra as Dr. Pranjeevan Mehta, essentially serve as the typical Indian countryman whom Gandhi would have been addressing with Hind Swaraj. The reader voices the common belief and argument of the time concerning Indian independence. Gandhi, the editor, explains why those arguments are flawed and interject his own arguments. As the editor, Gandhi puts it, "It is my duty patiently to try to remove your prejudice." In the dialogue that follows, Gandhi outlined four themes and structured his argument. First, Gandhi argued that home rule is self-rule. He argued that it is not enough for the British to leave only for Indians to adopt a British-style society. As he puts it, some want English rules without the Englishman, that to say would make Indian English, and when it becomes English, it will be called not Hindustan but Englistan. This is not the Swaraj I want. Gandhi also argued that Indian independence is only possible through passive resistance. In fact, more than denouncing violence, Gandhi argued that it is counterproductive. Instead, he believes the force of love and pity is infinitely greater than the force of arm. There is the harm in the exercise of brute force, never in that of pity. This is essentially throughout Hind Swaraj. To exert passive resistance, Gandhi reasons that Swadeshi be exercised by Indian, meaning the refusal of all trade and dealing with the British. He addressed the English when he stated, "If you do not concede our demand, we shall be no longer your petitioners. You can govern as us only so long as we remain the government. We shall no longer have any dealing with you." Gandhi make an intrigue India for trade, remove trade from the equation. Never be free unless it reject Western civilization itself. In the text, it is deeply critical for Western civilization, claiming India is being ground down not under the English hell but under that of modern civilization. He speaks about civilization not just in relation to India, though he argued that Western civilization is such that one has only to be patient and it will be safe, self-destroyed. It is a profound reproduction. Not only is Western civilization unhealthy for Indian, but Western civilization is by its own virtue unhealthy. Gandhi's view about civilization. Through a Hind Swaraj, Gandhi was deeply attached to electric value and rewards all faith and represented perception of the supreme truth. He was proud of Indians' ancient heritage and as such he was conceived of the glowing contrast presented by entire society.